It is sloppy out today. We got a bunch of, not a bunch, we got a little bit of snow last night and a bunch of rain this morning, so now it's really just disgusting out. My boots are gonna get muddy today, so is my bike. Man, it is sloppy out. This thing has no treads, so it straight up just drifts all over the place. I can't imagine what Connor's is like, because he's got twice the power and less treads than I do. Man, I wish I had an ATV. That'd be way easier to drift in this snow. This is fun, but sketchy at the same time. Whoa! We got a lot of rain recently, and it's been like 15 degrees the last few days. So it's just all been frozen over. And plus with the snow, and I have no traction on my tires, this is interesting. Ah, that is fun. I was thinking about taking the 250 out today, but I'm pretty glad I didn't, because this is a lot more fun in the snow. It's a lot easier to control. 250's got loads of power, and that's why I was going to take it, because in the snow you need all the power you can get. So that's why I wanted to take it. But now I'm glad I took this out, because this is way easier to control, and the snow's not deep at all. So I really don't need the power. I just need to be able to control it when it slides out like this. Whoa! And the 100, since it's smaller and less power, it's easier to do.
There's so much ice.
This is a blast.
On the hills where there's no water and it's just snow, like it's good.
Like up there?
Yeah.
This is fun on this because you're straight sideways.
You wanna go try the other one?
Yeah. This looks like just a trail of ice, but when you ride over it, it's just slush. It's like a big old Slurpee. Put a little flavoring on it, got yourself a delicious treat. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, I'm sliding in this corner. Alright, let's see if we can get across this. We can take the weedy trail.
Alright, we can go try that.
Yeah, let's go try that. I haven't been down that way in a while. Just as soon as you let off the clutch, it's just instant spinach. I always use the old 100 as my snow bike, which is weird because in the snow you need as much traction as you can get, and I have no traction on this bike at all. But as I said before, it's just easy to control, and it's just a lot of fun. Alright, let's make it up this hill. Whoa! Ah! Looks like Senor knows where it is. This is it. That's not it. Well, looks like we're gonna be getting a little bit of wet. Whoa. Alright, that was pretty easy. I've not been down this trail in a long time. Alright, make our way through here. Oh, this is getting pretty tight. Another bonus about the 100, it's easy to weave through this tight stuff. Thing's a plow. Oh, man, I wish I had my handguards on now. Should probably put them back on for the winter, now that I think about it. Slowly. Oh no. Man, if I had my handguards right now, it'd be so much better. I took them off because I put on the old 50 handguards on this, so I thought they looked better, and I took them off the 100, to put onto my 250 for the hare scramble race. Ah, man. Handguards would be nice right now. You know, I'm sure this looks really overgrown, but to be honest, it's a lot better than what I thought. I'm not sure if we're going to go in the woods today, because the woods and the snow really isn't that great, but like big open fields in the snow is perfect. Ooh, that's nice and warm. I was actually thinking about putting studs on this tire. Since there's like no traction, maybe I'd put studs on it, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just get a new tire. There are pumpkins out here. It's not Halloween, this is December. This is Christmas time. Speaking of Christmas time, Santa is actually out today. Goes around in the fire truck. Oh, wow. Alright, maybe I should follow him. Anyway, back to Santa. He goes around in the fire truck every year and throws out candy canes. So we're going to try to find him today. See if we can get some free candy canes. Wow, well, okay, this is interesting. I remember doing this on the 230, and that was a mission. Not much better on the 100. Ah! Ah! My foot went right into the water. Alright, maybe we're just going to have to take the water away. There we go. Alright, so let's do this. It's either going to be like eventful or not eventful. Alright, so Connor is over there Instagram live streaming, and he's got like 4 people watching this video, and they want me to see how far I can make it up this hill. Well, here we go. That's it! That's a deep rut. Wow! Alright, perhaps third gear.